Now it's time to start with the mapping operations. In the upper part of the toolbar, select the recognition engine to be used accordingly to the kind of information you need to extract. To define a printed field, for example, select the OCR icon, in order to initialize the OCR-engine field. To define a checkboxes field, select the OMR icon. Do the same for ICR, OCR-A, OCR-B, CMC7 and barcode fields. You can also create overlapped fields, with different engines. This may be useful, when you're not sure about how the field is going to be filled. It's also possible to create calculated fields, whose value can be set by script. For example, a calculated field named birth date, may be created to get the concatenation of day, month, and year single fields. Once the engine is selected, use the mouse to select the field's recognition area. Once you get it, don't forget to name the field properly, on the left side panel. In the same panel, you'll find information about field position, width, and height. Each value is shown in pixels, in order to be independent from image resolution. Once a field is mapped, you have to define specific fields pre-processing, processing and post-processing parameters.